There's no quest here to automate cybersecurity professionals away. Rather, we look at it and say, we want to put the human at the helm. We all have, and now for the last 3 years, 4 years being in cyber, I have my own personal stories of seeing the toll that has been taken on cybersecurity operators as they've been through. There's no malice of forethought here. There are no bad actors in this space, but I think so much of the technology that has been sold over the years has required human cyber operators to contort themselves around every new piece of tooling and every new piece of technology. What our chief product officer, Bill McMillan, calls technology twister, where they're having to toggle across all these different things. So when we sat down with a whiteboard and an idea, it started with and remains, as I said, focused on the human being. One differentiator is to say, this is all about the human operator. It's about building technology that very elegantly and intimately is wrapped around the human being to really optimize them in role and accelerate those things that we still feel are uniquely human, which is the ability to apply human judgment and follow investigative pathways.